Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetjuice.com and today we are going to do the quick unboxing, or I would rather call it a review of the new device which we have got from SanDisk. SanDisk has launched this new USB flash drive, which is a SanDisk Connect wireless stick as they call it, and this is a flash drive reinvented to be used by your smartphone, by your tablet, and you can use it from a PC as well. And all you need to do to access the data on this flash drive is that you don't need to connect it to your smartphone, you don't need to connect it to your PC, and you don't even need to connect it to your tablet. It can sit idle on a table and you can start using it. Whatever data which is there in the flash drive, you can access without connecting it to any physical location as far as the USB 2.0 port is concerned. So again, this is a USB 2.0 flash drive. It comes with 16 GB configuration. It starts for a price of 2,700 approximately, and you can buy it from flipkart.com. And here we have the features of the flash drive mentioned. That means you can actually use it on any smartphone, which is iPhone, which is Android phone, or again you do have APK file on Amazon.com as well. Especially for those who are running on forked Android, you can use this flash drive on those Android phones as well. Now what you need to do is you just need to plug it to your PC, transfer your content to the flash drive, and then you are good to go. Then you need to just place this and you can access the content from this flash drive simultaneously on 3 different devices at a single point of time. And in the overall usage, the videos which you watch are going to be smooth in terms of the playback. Whatever you want to see from the flash drive in terms of playing a song, in terms of opening a file, you can do that. So let me just show you the flash drive in actual. We don't need to unbox this. We have another one over there, and this is the flash drive. This is how it looks like, and you have a button over there. So in case you press this button once, it will turn on, and now you can actually access the data on this flash drive from a smartphone. So we have an iPhone over there, and I have installed the application on my iPhone for this, and I would like to show you how does this application actually work. So this application is called SanDisk Connect. So don't go for the other application which could be SanDisk Connect for wireless flash drive. This application which can work with this flash drive is going to be SanDisk Connect Drive. And this is how the icon will look like. This is how the interface will look like. So once I open this interface, it should be able to find the flash drive, which is right now turned on. And I need to just check whether the drive is on or not. So right now I think it is flashing white, but it does not have much of a battery, and that is why the drive is not detected. Now it was flashing. Let me just turn this on. Now it is turned on. And I would like to launch this application again to see whether, okay, I think we need to connect to the Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi settings. So over here we have the Wi-Fi settings, and right now I'm connected to the other Wi-Fi network. That is why it was not showing up. Now I need to connect to this Wi-Fi, which is open first of all. So this Wi-Fi is open, but you can configure it with a password later on so that no one else can actually connect apart from you, especially if they have this application. Now the drive is detected and I can access the contents on the flash drive without plugging it to a PC, and this is how I can actually access the contents. I would like to open some documents in front of you and show you the speed. Here we have the SanDisk folder. We have some press releases over there. Let me just open this Word document. So the Word document is actually opening up on this iPhone without any issues, without any other additional software required, which is good. I can also watch videos if they are there on the flash drive, and I can do that without any issues. Let me see whether I have some videos as well. In some of the press release, there are a lot of press releases which are there on this flash drive, but I would like to know whether we have a video. Okay, I think we have some videos over there in this folder. Yes, we do have a video over there. And this is how the video is getting played, and there is no lag. I can forward this video, I can rewind this video, there is no issue, and everything is getting played from this flash drive, which has a small battery as well inside. So this one actually has a battery of 380 milliampere, which is again going to give you pretty good backup in case in case you are watching a video like this, you can watch a video for continuously 3 to 4 hours as per SanDisk claims, and you can actually watch that video pretty smoothly without any issues. And again, there is no problem with the video playback, there is no problem with the file, everything is nicely loaded. Let me try playing some music, whether we have that. So I would like to play this music. So this is how you can play the music, and I can also open some other things as well. Let me just, okay, stop this. Yeah, let me just come back and show you some of the photos as well. So here we have some pictures as well, which are like some high resolution pictures which are there, and they are loading up fine, and I can access the contents pretty smoothly. And right now the white light is flashing, that means the data transfer is happening. So this is one of the best solution I have seen, especially which work not only for an iPhone, but it will work for an Android phone like this as well. So this is all we have as far as the quick unboxing. We are going to test it, and we will show you more what all this flash drive can do. I would like to give you a physical overview before I end this video. So the moment you remove this cap, which is a plastic cap, and it has a metal casing around, so that there is no damage to the USB port over there, which is going to be there, and so that it does not get any damage, and you can plug it safely. When it comes to the button to power this on, you have this button over there on this side, and this is the kind of design they have given, which looks very nice, and it is slightly longer because it has some other battery component and other Wi-Fi signal thing. The Wi-Fi radio is well inside, so that you can access it over Wi-Fi. You also have a lanyard port over there, so that you can input a thread and use it in your keyring. You can attach it to your keyring as well. And again, I like this quality of material which has been used on this flash drive, which is actually making this robust and good, especially in case you drop it. It is like any other regular flash drive, nothing will happen to it, but I would recommend that you handle it safely because it has some radio components inside. And here we have the name of the flash drive mentioned, which is SanDisk Connect wireless stick, and then we have some model information over there in case you want to know that. So this is all we have as far as the quick review of the SanDisk wireless flash drive, which can be used not only by your smartphone, but you can also use it with a tablet, and you can also access the contents of the flash drive using a PC through a web browser, and we will do a separate video for that. That's it from us. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any questions and queries, you can leave your questions and queries in the comment section below. You can like this video helps you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.